The semi-auto era is cracking, and in 2026, 7 revolvers are leading the takedown. Mykel here, and I have spent months testing every wheel gun on this list to bring you the truth. These 7 guns are flat-out destroying polymer pistols across the USA right now. Watch until the end, because I will show you the revolver that does not win with speed. It wins with brutal close-range power. Smash that subscribe button right now so you never miss a single drop. Number 7. Smith & Wesson Model 686 Plus. The 686 Plus is the gun many shooters call their first true love, and it is the revolver gun shops keep selling out of through 2026. This wheel gun is built tough enough to soak up heavy recoil while staying smooth and accurate at the range, which is why Pew Pew Tactical lists it as their top first revolver pick for new buyers. Smith & Wesson has kept this model in steady production since 1980 without ever cutting corners on build quality, and that long track record is rare in the firearm world. The brand new 2026 Spec Series R version, launched at SHOT Show 2026 with a Savior equipment bag and a special S&W knife and coin set, pushed the gun right back into the spotlight as one of the hottest releases of the year. Specs: barrel length 4.13 inches. Sights: adjustable rear, red ramp. Chamber: 357 Magnum and 38 Special. Stock: synthetic rubber grip. Capacity: 7 rounds. Price: $1,019. Number 6. Colt Python. The Colt Python is the gun every revolver fan dreams about, and the 2020 stainless steel revival has only made the dream stronger heading into 2026. Hand-fit by Colt with a special V-spring lockwork system, this iconic wheel gun gives a feel that many shooters call the best of any factory revolver on the market today. Rock Island Auction Company reports that rare vintage Python models have set record-breaking sales at premier auctions, proving the name still carries huge collector value even after 60 years on the market. Colt offers the Python in many different configurations for daily carry, range work, or even big game hunting in the deep woods of America, giving buyers options that no semi-auto can match. Specs: barrel length 4.25 inches. Sights: adjustable rear, red ramp. Chamber: 357 Magnum. Stock: walnut target grip. Capacity: 6 rounds. Price: $1,499. Would you spend full retail on a brand new Python or hunt down a vintage 1970s original instead? Drop your answer in the comments. Number 5. Ruger G P100. The Ruger G P100 is the workhorse that refuses to quit, and that is why it keeps showing up on top revolver lists year after year through 2026. Since its first release in 1985, Ruger has built more than 734,000 of these guns, according to Wikipedia production records, and the design has earned a strong name for handling thousands of full power rounds without breaking a single part. The triple locking cylinder design works to tame heavy recoil even with the hottest hunting loads on the shelf, which is something most semi-autos cannot match. Market data from Cash My Guns in March 2026 shows this gun sits well below the rival Colt Python in cost, while still offering nearly the same shooting feel and the tank-like reliability that semi-autos simply cannot promise during a high-stress moment, which is why so many police officers, ranchers, and hunters still pick the GP100 first when their life is on the line. Specs: barrel length 4.2 inches. Sights: adjustable rear, ramp front. Chamber: 357 Magnum. Stock: Hogue monogrip rubber. Capacity: 6 rounds. Price: $899. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Model 386 Night Guard. The Model 386 Night Guard is the surprise comeback of 2026, and many shooters had given up hope of ever seeing it on a shelf again. Smith & Wesson teamed up with the Lipsy's distributor to bring back this lightweight revolver, and the new design weighs less than most full-size 9mm pistols sold today, which is a huge plus for daily carry. the matte black finish makes the gun almost vanish in low light conditions, which is exactly why the model first earned its nighttime name back when it launched in 2008, before being pulled from the lineup over a decade ago. American Rifleman covered the official 2026 relaunch as one of the most talked about revolver returns in years. And gun stores are already reporting strong early sales since the model first hit dealer shelves at SHOT Show 2026 in January. Specs: barrel length 2.5 inches. Sights: tritium front, fixed rear. Chamber: .357 Magnum. Stock: S&W rubber grip. Capacity: 7 rounds. Price: $1,269. Number 3. Taurus Judge 20th Anniversary Edition. The Taurus Judge 20th Anniversary Edition celebrates 20 years of one of the most talked about revolvers in the world, and Taurus is making this run extra special for collectors. The company is only producing 2,026 of these guns total, tied directly to the 2026 anniversary year, which makes each one a true collector piece the moment it leaves the factory floor in Bainbridge, Georgia. The revolver still does what the original Judge made famous, going viral over 20 years ago after a now legendary watermelon video introduced the world to a brand new kind of handgun back in 2006. Reports from the Outdoor Wire and the Firearm blog confirmed the model first dropped at SHOT Show 2026, and the limited anniversary version is moving fast across the USA, with many shops listing waiting lists for the strict 2026 unit run. Specs: barrel length 3 inches. Sights: brass bead front sight. Chamber: .45 Colt and .410. Stock: walnut engraved wood grip. Capacity: 5 rounds. Price: $681. Would you load your Judge with shot shells for home defense, or stick with heavy pistol rounds for raw power? Tell us in the comments. Number 2. Chiappa Rhino 60DS. The Chiappa Rhino 60DS looks like no other revolver on the planet, and that strange shape is the secret to its real power on the range. Unlike a normal wheel gun that fires from the top of the cylinder, the Rhino fires from the bottom, which drops the bore axis straight in line with the shooter's hand and wrist for a totally new shooting feel. The result is almost no muzzle rise, a huge gain for fast and accurate follow-up shots that even tuned semi-autos struggle to match when shooting hot loaded rounds at the range. American hunter and sniper country both call this gun a strong choice for hunters, target shooters, and anyone who wants something truly different from the crowd. Which is why the Rhino keeps building a cult following heading into 2026 with new high-end finish options, like the gold PVD edition turning heads at every range day. Specs: barrel length 6 inches. Sights: fiber optic adjustable sights. Chamber: .357 Magnum. Stock: walnut wood grip. Capacity: 6 rounds. Price: $988. Number 1. Diamondback SDR. The Diamondback SDR is the gun that pushed the revolver market into a brand new direction in 2026, and many shooters now call it the best concealed carry wheel gun on the market today. Diamondback Firearms is better known for affordable AR platform rifles, but the company stepped into the wheel gun world strong with the SDR, which packs more firepower into a small frame than most rivals on the shelf, a huge edge in a real-world defense moment. New for 2026, the SDRA drops the total weight to under 1 pound, making it lighter than most polymer compacts you can find in any gun store right now. Diamondback also introduced a brand new variant this year that has dealers already running low on stock across the USA, proving the SDR line is here to stay and ready to truly destroy semi-auto sales for the year ahead. Specs: barrel length 2 inches. Sights: fiber optic front sight. Chamber: .357 Magnum and 38+P. Stock: Hogue rubber boot grip. Capacity: 6 rounds. Price: $777. Why power still pulls views. Some revolvers are not trying to beat semi-autos with magazine size. They win attention with raw power, bigger cartridges, and stronger close-range confidence. That makes them perfect for viewers who want something different from the usual plastic pistol conversation. That wraps the 7 revolvers truly shaking the semi-auto world in 2026. And each one earns its spot for a real reason. From the legendary Colt Python to the brand new Diamondback SDR. These wheel guns prove power and trust still beat raw capacity every single time. If this list helped you pick your next carry, smash that subscribe button right now and join the crew before the next big drop hits.